If you want to change your font style on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your settings. Now open up your general tab. Here we're gonna scroll down and find our fonts. Great, so now open up your assistant fonts and make sure that the font which you want to use is already downloaded. If not, tap here and it will be downloaded. So now, to use this font, we have to open up our mail or basically anything. For example, our notes. So let's type something. Now let's select it and press on this double A. Now choose your font. Right. You can do actually many things here, but basically that's it. That's how you do this. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.